Welcome back, YouTube. Yet another review. Today we are reviewing Peak Design's Capture Pro, which is a camera clip basically. It's a glorified camera clip. It is unique in its mounting system, so it's a bit of a small preview there. What it is it's a clip that has two plates, and it can clip onto your belt or a bag strap or whatever sort of strap you've got, and locks down, and then it's got this unique plate which screws to the bottom of your camera and clips straight in. So it slides straight in, clips in, and then it's got a quick release button there. It holds up to some ridiculous weight, but let's open it up and I'll show you a bit more of a close-up. Okay, to open this up, got two little tabs here. Pull that out. That's the clip. Oh, there's a little bag. And a whole bunch of instructions. Alright, so this is the quick setup guide. Shows you a bit of a run through about getting started. So I'll just put that aside. Now we've got what looks like a bit of a quick run through of all the parts and how to use them. So now if we manage to unscrew the clip, just to get it out of the packaging, we've got to unscrew it all the way. There we go. Now if we open the bag up, put the back aside. The Allen key to undo the base. Okay. Now we've got all the packaging aside, we can have a look at all of the parts here. We've got a little Peak Design sticker, a little date of when it was made, Manfrottos RC2 tripod users. Okay, so this looks like it's an adapter plate to use with one of Manfrottos' tripods. And if we put the clip together, okay. You should very rarely ever have to undo these all the way. What happens is this is designed to go like this, and when you have a belt that you want to attach it onto, or a strap, these just undo, that slides up and your belt goes in, and then that slides down, then you tighten up. So for this demonstration I'm going to use my belt. So okay, so we've got my belt here. slide that off. So now I can slide the belt in. Now we might need to undo these a bit more. So the idea is to try and center the belt in the middle of the plate. There we go, like that. Now they also do make a support feature, which is pretty much a pad that goes in underneath the item and gives it stability. So I haven't got that in this purchase because I'm not too sure if I'm going to need it yet. So apply pressure evenly on either side like this by doing this up. So now your camera sits on top of this plate here, and this screw goes in underneath into your 1/4 inch thread onto your camera. So at the moment we're not going to be attaching that because I'm filming with my camera right now. So what we can do is leave that there for now. And I believe this should just slide straight in. There we go. Straight in, and then this black dial on the side here at the top tightens the amount of pressure on the side. So now I think we go clockwise with this one. Yeah, there we go. Yep, so you tighten that up and then that stops that from wobbling around, and then to release it you just hit this button here and it slides straight out. In, locked into place, release straight out. And let's see if it works sideways. Yep, it works sideways as well. So you can mount your camera whichever way you want on this plate, and it rotates all the way around to release it on and off of the clip. And then that's the clip there. So that is the Capture Pro. Check out the Pig Design's website. They've got a few different versions. There is just the standard Capture, which has a different size clip. Obviously, the bigger the clip, the more support on the base of the camera that you have. I went with this one purely because it wasn't that much more expensive, and I thought it would be worth it. So I'll get a nice close-up photo of that for you. So I hope that sort of helps you with your decision on whether this is the clip for you, and whether maybe you want just the Capture clip. The Pro clip personally is the way to go, because I've got a nice big DSLR that I may be using it with, and I want to make sure that that's not going anywhere. So if we have a quick look at the instructions, it explains what all the parts are referred to as. So you've got the plate lock, which is this black knob up in the top corner. You've got the clamping bolts, which are these two. And this is the quick release plate. That's, as I mentioned, is the 1/4 inch connecting thread in the center there. And this is the quick release button, the red one over here. And it does mount onto one of the Manfrottos RC2 tripods using these two little adapter plates here. Please feel free to ask any questions, and I'll do my best to answer them. I just want to also point out that that does have a 1/4 inch thread underneath, should you want to attach something else underneath there, or attach the clamp to a tripod. Say you haven't got the right tripod connector and you want to use the Peak Design clip as a connector in an emergency situation, that's also perfectly fine. Alright, thank you for watching my video. Please check out my other videos on YouTube. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and I'll do my best to answer any questions should there be any. Catch you next time. Bye.